Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to NinjaTrader Live. I'm Tracy Shuchart, senior economist, and here are the headlines while we were away. It's been kind of a slow news day, but we have U.S. mortgage rates fall for the third week, hitting a 2025 low. The average for a 30-year fixed loan was 6.15%, down from 6.18% last week. Freddie Mac said in a statement today, which is good for, I guess, good for home buyers, that this is inching down. So next, we have Trump is going to start a new cryptocurrency for shareholders. We always talk about how this administration is very crypto-oriented. So Trump Media Technology Group plans to issue a new cryptocurrency, which will be distributed among its shareholders. The coin is the latest string of cryptocurrencies attached to Trump World Liberty Financial, a decentralized financial project supported by the Trump family, will operate the WLFI token and USD1 stablecoin. So more on the crypto front. I know crypto's been kind of struggling towards the end of the year, but let's see what the new year brings. We also have China is going to impose curbs on beef imports to protect its domestic industry. So they add an extra 55% tariff on beef imports that exceed quota levels from key suppliers. Now, Brazil is their largest supplier, but the U.S. does sell quite a few million tons annually to China, and so those will be affected, obviously, by that tariff. So we will see whether those exports are kept here at home or if they're going to end up in China or not. We also have bond yields jump as jobless claims fell. We talked a little bit about this morning. The jobless data was a little bit better than expected. It really mostly has to do with how the end of the year adjustment works, because you know the BLS, they've got a lot of adjustments. So anyway, really didn't see much market reaction, except for we did have yields climb as the data sort of justifies the Fed's cautious approach to easing monetary policy, reinforcing that the labor market isn't falling off a cliff, but instead moderating. Again, we're going to have to see. December figures can be volatile due to that seasonal hiring, the layoffs, and how they do the seasonal adjustments, I'll use that in air quotes. Really, I'm more looking forward to what the data is going to look like in January. And last but not least, we have the U.S. Literally, this is breaking news just before we came on air. The U.S. has issued additional Venezuela-related sanctions. This is going to affect 5 global entities as well as 4 vessels. And so we'll see how that does pan out. We didn't really see a reaction from the crude market, mostly because we're already seeing Venezuela take production off because storage is full, because they haven't really been able to export much except for to the United States, because of course Chevron is there and they have a contract to send their crude oil from Venezuela to the U.S. And also something to keep in mind is that the longer this sort of lasts, the more production is going to have to come offline for Venezuela. So that's also something to look forward to in the new year. And keep an eye on for the crude market. That would be obviously bullish for the crude market in January of 2026. And with that, I want to thank everybody for being here with us this year. It's been an exciting year on NinjaTrader Live. We certainly appreciate you guys watching and you guys in the chat. We have the greatest community ever. I have to agree with Jim on that. And so Happy New Year, everybody. And I look forward to seeing everybody in 2026. And with that, I'll sign off for the year and hand it over to Jim for an Edge report.
Thank you, Shy. Let's give some thumbs up for Shy. How awesome is she? Come on, we could do this. Fantastic. Happy New Year, Shy. I'll talk to you later today. Cooper has it right. She has a great, in the chat, Cooper says Tracy has a great bullshit detector, and she really does. Trader Mike Z, thank you for those kind comments. Appreciate that for sure. Not that much to talk about at really the last Edge report of the calendar year, but I just do want to cover a couple of markets really quickly here. One of them, again, is silver. We've been talking about it like crazy. We mentioned that xylophone pattern this morning. More sellers have come in. We have a really nice base right here, right where we're at right now, just north of $70. These are big, big candles. Remember, there's micro contracts for silvers. Micros are your friends. That 8 EMA does not know what to do right now. It does not know what to do right now. It's kind of sloping down a little bit, right around 176% extension target I have. But we are most likely going to close below that. So we'll be in that rotation zone. We'll see how much further we can go to the downside. Overall calendar 2026, I think we're all bullish in silver. But right now, there's definitely some more selling coming in here as well. And if you take a look at an intraday chart, it never really recovered. I mean, we tried to get a 50% retracement going on during the initial balance, and that just failed. We only have one close, one 30-minute candle close all session long above the session VWAP. Other than that, it was sellers are in charge. So you can see that white VWAP line here. We're still selling off. Look at this thing go down. So it'll be interesting. Two things to think about. Are we going to close on the low today, which means it's a daily close, and it's a yearly close on the low? That could be considered bearish going into at least Friday. I don't know. We'll see if it's a perma bear situation or not. The last market I wanted to cover really quickly before we get to the main event is the U.S. Treasury bond market here. We broke through my ascending triangle big time. Excuse me. Not only that, we are going all the way back down. We're breaking all the way back down to this consolidation volume profile. Remember, NinjaTrader, you could anchor a volume profile anywhere. I anchored it to the consolidation area that's defined by the up. Wow, didn't bring my water up with me. And lower support bands, and we're right to that point of control, and that is exactly 115.07. We're 2 ticks away from it. So bonds are still in the middle here. No breakout to the upside. This long end is looking pretty weak. Craig Shapiro just sent me some intel on that, and I agree with him as well. So happy New Year to the bond bears. Here it is on a daily pick. I mean, we were kind of flirting with that VWAP for a long period of time during the initial balance, but just couldn't do it. And then we finally just sold off, broke below that high vol level, which is a pretty important level, and that 0 DTE support level as well at 115 and 16 30 seconds. So again, we're kind of consolidated here in bonds, probably will be until the next FOMC meeting, but who knows? So that is the final Edge report of 2025. And now it is time to trade the close. We have coming back Xyzeee, and Captain Joey Morgan is back with us along with Nick for a tick. Good afternoon, gentlemen. How are you?
What's up? What up, Jim?
Oh, man.
Fellas?
I just have one announcement I forgot to make. I'm going to make it right now. In the chat, you'll see a link for a special giveaway by Kane, Trader Kane. A special giveaway. 5 $50,000 Lucid accounts are up for grabs. You have until 3:45 to click on that link, follow the process, and have a chance at winning those 5. So a very generous offer by Kane. It's up there in the chat itself, that link. Feel free to go for it. And we'll remind you guys a little bit later for folks that kind of jump in a little bit later. We'll get Nick and to remind everybody. And then shortly, right before around algo time, we'll announce the winner. So appreciate everybody being here. And if you want to participate in that very kind offer by Kane, it is out there ready to go. Whoa. Anyway, anybody in a trade right now?
No, I'm just watching NQ trade below the IB, and
I
we'll
chickened
see.
out of it.
I
I
was about
wanted
to long this. I
to
still
put a
might.
short. I got scared. So now no, I missed out on the whole thing.
We had 50-50. We had 50-50 odds that XYZ was going to come in with a plus $8,000 short position
I
and
was like,
NQ.
I should short this. This is like the top of the range. They've been tapering all day. They're gonna do it again. And I was like, I don't want to give anything back though. I'll just stay out. And then it just starts going. I'm like, oh, okay, well, that's it. It's too late for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's NQ just caused some serious sellers. So I'm sitting out of this one. I'm not really uh, intrigued yet. I mean, if we get some strength again back in the IB range, we'll look to maybe take a long there, like we did during midday markets. But we'll see.
Yeah. How about you, Nick? How you feeling?
I really haven't traded today. But yeah, we really, I mean, we're below yesterday's range, but for the most part, we've just been consolidating all day, at least in NQ. And we've been consolidating in like a 30-point range. So this was like the first decent move outside of the, kind of the sell off the open.
Yeah.
I guess like right when we were kind of hanging out here after lunch for a little bit, this decent move down. But for the most part, I don't know if I want to do anything. I kind of am leaning to long this since we just made a new low, and possibly pulling back into the IB as well as inside the overnight um, range. So I may take a long here, may not. Haven't quite decided. Kept it pretty light today.
Yeah. Interesting. In a 30-minute candle, we have a double bottom brewing at approximately, if you measure the wick lows, they're almost identical, pretty close to 69.13 half or 69.14 maybe. So, I've been doing this long enough to know that, even it might look like a nothing burger going into the close the last day of the calendar year. And, volume is low. A lot of people aren't trading. There are a lot of folks, and I'll give you a story in a second, that are trading. So, I've seen all sorts of different scenarios play out here. So be careful. If you guys are trading out there, don't forget best practices, throw your stops in. When I was on the brokerage side of things, and I was, doing that for 20 years, we would have folks that opened accounts and never traded, or they'd even fund it and never traded. And every year I would get this call between Christmas and New Year's, and this call would go down something like this: "Hey Jim, I'm ready to place my first trade. Could you help me get started?" And I was like, "Well, you opened your account in March. Why are you placing your first trade now?" It's like, "Oh, I got all this family here. They're driving me crazy." So I came upstairs in my office, I closed the door. I can't take it anymore. Every year we get a couple of those calls for sure. So, but anyway, and be careful for sure. You guys are the best. I am going to miss you, and I'm not going to see you until next year, I don't think. Any of you. I'll say goodbye at the end when I see you at the end. In the meantime, best of luck if you do guys take a trade.
Sounds good.
Thanks, Jim.
Thanks,
All
Jim.
right.
Boys.
We got the Black Hat Club going on right now.
Oh, like almost all my hats are black. Yeah, almost.
Love it. What's up, fellas?
Not much, not much.
Not a whole
Regretted
lot.
not taking the short.
XY,
Still
long
interested
time.
in longs? You guys interested in longs, right? You said?
Yeah,
Kinda.
I'm more interested in longs here.
I mean, I
Above
just
my-
think I'm sure something stupid is about to happen here in the next
You think
hour
so?
and 15 minutes. Something stupid probably happens.
I hope so. It's
I just
better
don't
than
know
nothing.
which direction it may be, but I'm sure something dumb is brewing.
It's much better than nothing.
I think it's fitting for something stupid to happen.
And yeah,
Let's
someone
see.
was asking where the link is to Kane's Lucid giveaway. It is pinned to the top of the chat, as well as it was just pasted in there. So we're going to announce it a few minutes before the 250 algo. So before it's algo time, we will announce the winner of the 550K Lucid accounts. If you are not historically a prop trader, this is your opportunity to potentially get one for free and see what all the fuss is about out there in the Twitter space.
Yeah.
It's definitely definitely the new, the whole prop thing.
Yeah.
So many options now. I mean, just a few years ago, you only had like three, realistically, maybe two. Is it a straight to payout? Yeah, it's an instant payout account. As soon as you pay for it, you get paid.
Buy the account, take a payout. That sounds
Uh,
sustainable.
I don't know. Maybe production can tell us what kind of account it is. I don't know if it's a straight to funded or if it is a test of, or eval
I
account.
think they're 50K pros or kind of. I saw it earlier
We'll
somewhere.
find out.
No, they're special. They
Okay.
are one-to-one, very custom accounts where you actually just tie it to Nick's account and he'll trade it for you. So it's pretty much like a straight to payout.
Or straight to, can you? Straight
Straight to the
to.
soup kitchen.
Straight to put the fries in the bag account. I was
Cool
trying to
story,
say the
bro.
joke. XY was adding more color to it. But yes, a straight to put the fries in the bag account.
That's crazy, bro. Put the fries in the bag.
That's crazy, man. Yeah, just fries in the bag. Thank you.
Yeah.
No receipt. You don't need to set an inverse trade of me. You just need to trade off of my stop out, as is tradition.
Yeah, Joey and I are really just waiting for Nick to place a stop somewhere.
Yeah.
Then we'll have a trade.
Nick
You
is
guys
our
trade much today?
confluence.
Nick is the algo. His stop is the algo that everyone's been looking for. Do you guys know? I think I mentioned it on stream maybe like 2 Fridays ago. McDonald's has this banger deal, right? Actually, let me take you guys through a little story. On Christmas Day at night, I decided, you know what? I want some McDonald's. And they got this deal where it's like $20, you get two Big Macs, you get two 10-piece nuggets, you get two fries. So I was like, well, I'm just gonna stop by McDonald's. It's like, we'll say like probably 3 minutes from my house, maybe four. And then I get there, it's the longest drive-through line I've ever seen. It's going onto the street. And I was like, yeah, maybe I'll just go inside and pick it up. It's a mobile order. Inside is the busiest I've ever seen it. There's actually no parking anywhere because it's so busy. So after what felt like forever, um, I finally got my McDonald's. But for anyone who doesn't know, $20, two Big Macs, two 10-piece nuggets, two fries. Get some. Hey, Salma,
Man.
you're supposed to be here right now.
Yeah.
Salma, go fix your internet.
Salma, where you at?
No, the white van got Salma. She experienced her first
The
incident.
first white van incident. Ah, I know. You never forget it. What's the deal called? It's just I don't know, friggin' bundle meal deal. Who knows? I think it's just um it's on the menu. If you pull up the app, you go to like shareables, I think. It's funny that I know this. Go to shareables and you'll find it there. You guys want to see a crazy portfolio, dude? You should see my points, my McDonald's points. Very
I do
bullish.
love that Mr. Versace robe also has the palette of a
I'm cultured.
he's very cultured between his McDonald's and Panda Express opinions.
Bro
all
really
about
is about
balance.
that McDonald's life, huh?
It's all about balance, you know. One night I'm at the Carbone Riviera in Vegas. The next, I'm just trying to get a 20-piece meal deal or a $20 meal deal. Backstage is asking, is that a Christmas special or something? No, it's not. It's happening right now, before Christmas, after Christmas. It's been around for a minute. In and Out. I need to visit In and Out. I live by like a million of them. I'm in SoCal, so
Yeah,
In and Out is the GOAT. That is my
we
opinion. Yes.
we do have them here, and I do frequent them. But the only fast food I really eat more regularly.
Well, it's different when So for anyone who doesn't know in the chat, Nick, he's manly enough to hunt his own food and provide a farm to table experience for him and his family. Like right after the stream, he puts on like his overalls, puts on that red flannel, goes to chop some wood, and then grab dinner.
I actually am supposed to head out there probably Friday night
You
to
guys want
potentially,
you guys want a hunting stream?
yeah, maybe I'll do an in real life.
An IRL stream.
IRL stream, yeah. Hit the
Yeah,
like,
let's go.
guys. Hit the
Yeah,
like
we'll
if you
we'll do
want
that.
IRL Nick stream.
I'll be demonetized immediately.
IRL hunting stream would be legit.
Hey, thanks for hanging out every stream, Brian. Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, XY needs an IRL from for a trip from Bass Pro.
Yeah, KDR, I know those expire. I've had them expire on me. It's not a good time.
I got the Bass Pro headquarters here where I live,
Where you at? Where's headquarters?
Springfield, Missouri.
Yeah, but do you have one of these bad boys?
We got the big Bass Pro.
Check this out. $5. $5, baby.
Oh, let's go.
Get some.
I'm about to go get me one now.
What is
Bass Pro's
overnight?
legit.
Oh, ONL, ONH is overnight low, overnight high. It's just the highs and lows of the overnight Globex session.
Whistleblower, I'm in Rogers. I've been to Rogers a few times. I go every now and then.
Yeah, wait, what credit card? We talking McDonald's credit card or Bass Pro credit card? Both equally respectable, of course. Will Nasdaq explore monthly open in today's session? I'm not sure the Nasdaq explores anything,
Yeah,
but
I'm on stream. It's very possible we don't move.
no, we were. I was saying earlier in the morning. Hopefully, Joey's like that X factor that kind of like neutralizes the
Well,
vol
I mean,
killing.
so during our session earlier, you didn't take the IB trade with me, bro.
Yeah, chickened out again. Who would
I
have
know.
thought? Just like
I
I
know.
chickened out of the short. Who would have thought?
I'm close to Lake of the O's. Yeah, I am close to Lake of the Ozark. I don't ever go there though. I usually go on Table Rock to go fishing.
All right, y'all. I've got a question for you guys. I've got these bad boys here. Tropical fruit punch. We've
Okay.
got watermelon. Watermelon.
Are
Hey.
those blow pops?
I don't know. It just says Charms Mini Pops, like a Dum Dums knockoff, maybe off-brand Dum Dums.
Okay.
Is Dum Dums an old people thing? Are we old? And we've got
No, I see them at like doctors' offices and stuff still.
mango. All right, chat. Mango, watermelon, or tropical fruit punch. What are we doing?
Mm.
Doing something.
It's a good question.
Did I hear mango in there?
Yeah, there's mango.
Oh man, that's my go-to.
Chat. Do we trust them? Do we fade them? Do we trust them?
Chat long mango.
Dude, it looks like all right. Okay, well,
I
fruit
mean,
punch
I'm
is
I'm
clearly
more of
not
a
in the
watermelon
picture here.
enjoyer personally.
Okay, so someone just said tropical fruit punch is the only one that isn't discussing. Oh man, all of the above. 3 and 1? Watermelon. Oh man, this is pretty.
I'm going short watermelon.
You're shorting watermelon?
Yeah.
Nick, what you got, man?
I mean, I am a watermelon enjoyer. So basically blasphemy.
I kind of I'm an underdog enjoyer, and there was one guy who said tropical fruit punch is the only one that isn't disgusting. So, well, this hasn't made it easier. But I've got to fade the. I'm gonna fade the chat. I'm gonna fade everybody. I'm gonna hit this tropical fruit punch. We're gonna find out right now if I've made a grave mistake. So, give me a second. As the market moves, man, that short would have been nice.
As the market moves at a snail's pace.
It's like 3 points lower. And I'm like, yeah, the market's just running away now.
5 point moves look massive.
Was there news?
I do love when that happens when we are like consolidating in the afternoon and then we move like 20 points in 30 seconds and someone's like, oh, it had to be news.
Yeah.
Is Shy in the chat? I wanted to say Happy New Year, but I think she hopped off backstage too fast. The market dropped to your choice of lollipop. Yeah, my bad. It's not bad, guys, honestly. Actually tastes like you drink a fruit punch. We'll save the other two for the new year, you know what I mean?
I don't even know what I'm doing for New Year's.
Yeah, I was just about to ask you what you got cooking. I never really do anything for New Year's. Just chill at home, try to make it to midnight.
Oh, I'm not going to make it to midnight. In fact, I look forward to um yeah, like when I'm my I guess my kid, hopefully kids in the future, but are old and trying to stay up. Like I'm just gonna have a previously recorded ball drop from New York City or something because they have no idea what time it is, and we're all
Oh,
going to bed.
you're doing that.
Because I want his dad wants to go to bed.
It's like, but the sun's still out.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
Man, that's weird. Anyways, Happy New Year.
No, I think we're supposed to go hang out with friends who are also like with children, so it'll probably be an earlier night as it is.
Mhm.
I'll be sitting on the couch trying to make it to ball drop.
Yes, I will use AI in the future for New Year's Eve.
All we're doing is just proving to chat that we might actually be unks.
I know we did that in the last session. Now we're just confirming it even more.
Watching the UK ball drop.
There you go. Yeah, you just find another part of the world that is already celebrated and just record that for your children.
Someone said use AI. Let's see gold. What's gold do? Gold's actually moving a little bit.
I mean, silver still violent again today.
Dude,
Wow.
have you started yet?
No, I mean, I think we might have missed the party. It's gonna the second. I mean, okay, we talked about this. I was probably one of the first people, the first streamer. I'm gonna say this, and I think Leo backed me up the other day. I was probably the first streamer talking about actually trading it a few weeks ago, and I might have missed the party with my stubbornness of not trading through the end of the year. Really,
Dude, last week it was like everyone was looking at silver, and yesterday, was it yesterday? Maybe Monday. My entire Twitter feed is just full of people telling me they shorted silver.
Yep.
Same.
it got real hot real fast.
Silver
Is it
is
burnt out now?
I
dumping.
don't know. I was not committed to trading it until the new year. I didn't think it was going to when I was drawing like extensions and things. I didn't think it was going to get to the mid 70s yet. But of course, it goes parabolic when I after I build a chart and don't decide to trade it.
Oh, there we go. Chat wants to know what's the ticker? Silver. Soybeans is still pretty sleeper, I think.
The ag is just it's complicated because it's not available for us to trade really in the afternoon.
Can you confirm if volume profile is now available for free? If you have Ninja Prop, you can get the order flow suite, right?
Man, silver all the way down to 69.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
This hourly candle is about to close pretty dirty. Maybe they can trade 470s. Maybe I'm getting too optimistic about a market extension. Hey, they did get to IB midpoint though, huh?
Which
Yeah, they
one?
did. They got to the mid, IB mid.
Yeah. I'm talking about NQ.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, it got to that 50% and then just sent it down.
Well, they're actually building some volume down here now.
Mm-hmm. Debating. I'm still debating on longing this, but I don't know.
Oof. What a candle.
Oh God. I think my dog is throwing up in my office right now.
Where's the
Yes, he
dog? Where's
is.
the dog? Where's the dog?
So I'm gonna wait for business stock to take my place here so I can go fix that for a few seconds.
Oh man, that short would have been nice.
Yeah. NQ is just yeah, it's sending it right now. Probably going down to test 500.
Yeah, I think we can see the 470s.
Mm.
I would be willing to long and
Yep.
fade some further extension.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I mean, if we break 500s and then find strength to get back above 500, I think that would
Mhm.
be a pretty solid long for me.
50% extension is 506. So, yeah, maybe poke it a little further and see if we can get some interesting. Oh, that's what happened. His dog vomited under his desk.
Yeah.
It's funny because it's not the first time. I think it's the third time on stream. Getting ahead of the New Year's Eve party, huh? Yeah, I know.
Down to 509s here, 508s.
Hmm. I have quite a bit of resting orders on the way here into the 05s. We're right at the 50% extension.
Just give us an unnecessary move below 500s and just let's send it back up.
Yeah. Make money even on a pullback. You don't even have to be right. They tapped the 50% extension just barely.
I'm debating on whether I'm going to take the long in my head or if I'm actually going to take it in my account.
I'm good at that. 510s is seeing a jumpy bid here. A lot of reloading. We got 68 lots to fill. Let's see if they do it.
Yeah.
Market doesn't want to do it. Not yet, at least.
Yeah, there are some orders definitely sitting lower here.
Yeah. 05s right here in the 510s.
510s, yep. 05s, even down to 500.
I would prefer to see the market fill them and then see what happens. I think ES has room to make a new low here.
Do I have any pets? I do. I have a Siberian Husky and two cats.
Do they get along?
Yeah. Yep. All
Well,
of
if
them.
anyone is in the market for a golden retriever, I'm ready to open up an
I was just
auction at this
telling
point.
I was just telling them this. It's so funny because it's not even the first time it's happened on stream. It's like the
No,
third time.
it's not.
It's like, oh, he threw up again.
This is the problem with litter mates. If you guys didn't know, my two Goldens are brothers, actual brothers. Um, they go outside and eat God knows what when I'm not out there with them. So
Uh,
yeah,
well,
that was
Nick's
fun.
dog's in the chat. Hey, Nick's dog. Someone said they were pre-gaming too hard. The golden.
These dogs.
All these orders at 510 about to get filled.
Finally.
Maybe. Maybe not.
They're gonna need to work a little harder. I would be pretty surprised if they don't fill it, but it's looking like they're just running away from it.
Mm-hmm. Perfect world scenario, smash through all those orders down through 500, and I take the long mentally.
Literally tapped at 50% retracement too. I hate when things are like to the tick.
Mm.
I can never get on with those trades.
I'm gonna try along here.
I can't stand when like there's untapped like lows, like you have a really strong low and it goes down and just like stops just to the tick before it runs it and then just reverses straight out of it. Dude, my OCD flares so hard during that, dude. It just drives me crazy. Like, why, bro? Like, you have such a strong level there and you stop to the tick and don't run it and reverse out of it. Like, it's just so annoying.
Yeah, I hate to the tick stuff. I always want to see what happens when it gets somewhere. And then when it's like, some people are like, oh, my level to the tick. It's like, I hate that. I can never execute with that. I think ES is what I'm looking at. They got 62 by 20 at the low, which makes me think that there will be another low for ES at least.
I just noticed the month open is down there. All right, I'm gonna scratch that single.
Oh.
Let,
Like
let
those
this
orders at
just
510.
continue to do what it's gonna do.
Yeah.
Filled them. Replaced it with 49 on the offer. Instantly filled 68. 49 pulled. 50 lots now in the 05s, 40 lots, 90 lots.
Mm-hmm.
65 back up in the 01s.
All right. Just see what happens here. Looks like some orders are actually starting to come in. Maybe we're gonna get some shenanigans here shortly.
505s and 500s have some orders there.
Looks like that last hourly candle was definitely something. My best case is 470s. 470s long. Not sure if it can get there.
Chat, if you have just recently joined us, we are doing a little end of year giveaway. We are, in fact, giving away a chance to win one of 5 50K Lucid trading accounts. So if you have never had the experience or the pleasure of trading through Lucid Trading, one of our lovely NinjaTrader and Tradeovate prop firms out there, we are actually giving away 5 accounts for you to potentially dip your toe in that water. I think the 3 of us have all played in that realm for a long period of time, but this is your opportunity to get a free account, trade them, use them, and potentially get a payout from them. That'd be a cool story.
Yeah, I think without prop, I wouldn't be here, straight up.
But you can enter. The link's pinned to the top of the chat, as well as kind of has been pasted in there further up if you want to scroll. But we're going to be giving these away before the close, so make sure you get your entries in there.
And a date with XYZ. Now, our date would just be at the craps table. You roll the dice. As soon as you 7 out, it's over. Date's over.
And I should have also clarified, this is a giveaway from Kane himself. So in the event that you win and don't receive a payout, you can file all formal complaints to Kane, whether it be an email, an @mention on Twitter, or no, Ryan, I'm not going to make that joke either. But yeah, you can complain to him if you are not successful.
Feet picks.
Yes, you can send him
That'll
your fake
really get him.
pics out of hate, as well as continue to create AI images of Kane enjoying either tiramisu or beans and toast. His two favorite things in this world.
All right, we're moving.
Yeah, we are.
So all those passive orders are filled now. I don't see any more. Oh, 65 again. Someone really likes this 01. Front running the 500.
We
Yeah,
did smack through those 500s, still trying to hold it.
I'm just gonna wait for this angry tape. I'm still willing to long this if they can just chill out a little bit, you know?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here comes the month open.
Some sellers down to bring us down to 490. Getting some movement.
470s to the 430s is what I'm looking at here. Right into this little box. Let's go. Right.
You still watching those 470s?
Yeah, anywhere from
Mhm.
my zone is like from 474 to 436. So anywhere in there, I'm willing.
Yeah, I have 470 to 460 marked for some reason. I don't remember why. Trying to figure that out.
I think I would have to see this angry tape just mellow out for a second. Fiber optic, we will not. We will not. I won't
That's why I don't remember what were the generational lows.
140s.
I know, but like under that was the December contract. What is it on the March contract? Was that like
I have no idea.
450s, 460s? Maybe that's why I have
You
this
know
marked.
what? I don't
Is it
know.
460? If it's
Yeah,
460, I'm gonna laugh that was the generational low spot.
Is it 460?
Let me look because I think I was long from
You're
it.
the one that bought it.
I know I was long from it. Let me look on my X. I posted the screenshot.
You know what? It might have.
No, no, it was I was 180s that I was long from in the March contract, so that wasn't it. I mean, maybe that was the generational lows.
Yeah, what was it? You
I
bought
don't
the
remember
last you
anymore.
bought the last two in stock. Spider. I see that. That's funny. 25 460 says. Yep. Oh, that's something else. 50 daily moving average. Are they gonna I don't know if they'll get to the 70s.
Oh, they're trying.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's why I had this zone marked. Okay. I'm just visually looking at the 1 hour candles and volume profile, and now I know why I marked
I think I'm
that.
gonna try longs here.
I'm going up to retest those 500s.
Something light on the long side.
We didn't even tag the month open, just above it.
I know.
Rude.
One of those 470s. I'm not sure if they'll give it.
XY, do you think the Texans are going to beat the Colts on Sunday?
Yeah,
Me
I
too.
do.
You know why? Because the Colts are not starting any relevant person at quarterback.
Yeah, I think they will. Texans defense is crazy, man.
I'm watching these 500s here. If we get strength above 500, I'm not opposed to longing either.
Yeah, I'm gonna try long here. Gonna keep an eye on this. If they don't pop this, I'm just gonna just flatten this thing, scratch right out of it. I'm in for 7. I think I'll just keep this here. Yeah, so there's buying coming in. They need to get forward progress or your boy is cooked.
Teetering that 500.
Hmm. I'm gonna go for scalps along the way towards the 9 EMA. Try to drop down to 3 lots after taking some cash off.
There it
Got a
goes.
nice little pop.
Yep.
I'm about to take 2
So
off here. I'm gonna layer in some limit orders on this pop and then try to hold some for potential reversal here. It's these 510s again.
Mm-hmm.
We are seeing a buildup of liquidity right here, right now, which is not exactly what I want to see. That means there's still an offer that's interested there. Hopefully they can move them out of the way. But
Yeah, those 510s, there's been a lot happen there.
yeah, still happening too. The buying is still here, so I'm still giving it a shot. I'm holding on to
Mm-hmm.
the rest of this.
No, I think it's looking good.
Hmm.
Clear those 510s.
I'm
And I
giving it
think
till
it,
the 9 EMA. I think they can catch back up. I'm looking right at 527s right now. I got my finger on the flattened button right now. Yeah, they're still really trying to buy this. I just hope they don't puke it. So I'm keeping a close eye on the order flow right now. As long as the bid can still reload at these prices, it's okay. But as soon as they stop reloading, I think it might puke, and I'm just gonna take the rest of my money. They are absorbing quite a bit of selling on ES. That's good.
Interesting.
Come
of
on.
course, those 510s are going to be stubborn.
I know. Knew this would happen too after what happened earlier. Hopefully, a reclaim would mean that sellers just exit the market.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, I mean, just reclaim 510s, get above it, clear that just nasty area. And I mean, I think it'd look pretty good from there.
Hmm.
There is a lot building from 510 to 512s.
Debating if I should go down to 4 lots here. I'm gonna give it one more try up here.
Just double down, bro.
Oh, we're looking good. We're looking good. Failed sell. Is that a failed sell? They just dumped a lot of negative delta on that. Sorry, chat. I'm just like staring at the DOM right now. Trying to see if I need to flatten this thing.
Gold really did nothing today.
Dude, this 510's offer, man. They've got unlimited bullets.
Do I need to long it to like get out and push and help this?
Come on, clear the 510s for him.
Oh no.
XY is about to blow the deal
flat.
over 20 bucks.
I'm scratching that. Yeah. I got 2 off, but I could add more. I'm willing to so long it again if they can stuff the selling that's coming in right now. I'm gonna give it some time to figure itself out. I think it's gonna be good. We're getting another attempt.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. And got out at the perfect time too.
Yeah, that was a good
Mhm.
Lucky.
keeping that trigger finger ready.
Yeah, I was like, I cannot take it off the flatten button. Hopefully a second attempt failure, and then we can really go. I just hate that the 9 is pretty sloped now. What made me take the long? They were really trying to sell it, and they just weren't getting anywhere. And as soon as the market started to trade above where the selling was really condensed, waited for buying to just come in on the bid side. And as they started to reload higher, to me, it's like, they're willing to buy higher prices now, which is a lot of what I look for.
Might get your 470s now.
I know, yeah.
Jude, no, I'm not in any trade right now.
Every ICT trader knows ES will take W sell side LQ.
I don't know what that is.
Let's move it then.
Well, we did hit the December open.
There's a bid coming in these 80s now. See what happens to it. So pretty much I'm seeing buying actually occur, and I'm only waiting to see at what point do they get what they want. So now if it washes lower, it's still telling me the buy side is the weaker side, because if they're aggressively buying, but the market keeps falling below them, definitely do not want to put risk on that. So I'm waiting until it's pretty much the opposite. Yeah, so there's quite a bit. 84's not happy right now. ES is low, looking really heavy. Almost 600 lots negative. I'm not going to long this until I see at least an auction under that ES low tick. Go short then? I don't think so. I don't think so. Nick, someone said, I bet you Nick won't go short. Well, actually, yeah, you're long, so he'd be
I'm
right.
trying to
Yeah.
long this. Just watching very
All right, Nick's
closely.
stop is in, which means I know where I want to get long.
Come
At
on, Nick.
472.
Yeah, it's that's the spot. So the algo has just made its choice right there. That's the bottom tick long. Yeah, that last 1 hour candle got some really good continuation.
Long isn't looking that bad.
I know. I just prefer a better low tick on ES. That's just me sticking to what I look for. But I mean, for Nick's sake, I really hope it works.
Yeah.
Yes, use me as exit liquidity. I would appreciate it.
Nah, I don't think Nick is good exit liquidity. I think he's good entry liquidity. There's some buying there.
I mean, looking at the 30-minute here, it does not look very constructive for buyers. Let's be honest.
Yeah, just sweep those 470s or 460s.
Go.
There's some words up there at 510 again. I feel like that 510 is going to be lying in the sand.
Yeah, I know. I hate them.
Yeah.
I'm going to wait. So it might actually take off now because I just hit flatten.
So go along now.
I mean, if you
No,
dare,
I think it has to hit.
I think it's
hit
gonna
the
make another low.
Yeah. Yeah.
stop.
I'll wait for M period at this point.
Yeah, soon.
Just crazy how stubborn those 510s are. Orders just keep piling there.
Yeah. Looks like gold is getting a pretty good bid. All right, so fractal, fruit punch, tropical fruit punch was solid. Solid.
I'm curious about that mango still.
Yeah, it's right here. I mean, I might have to mess with it. Mini pops. They're called Charms mini pops. Never heard of it right now. But
Silver's catching a bid.
yeah, gold looks like it's actually just going to reverse back
Yeah.
through the distribution, maybe 4370s.
Yep. Gold doesn't look that bad.
Oh, ES finally. Back to the lows. Gonna crack it. There it is. All right. 1420 negative delta there. So unsurprisingly, they have found some buying. Now we just see if the buying actually gets anywhere this time.
See, they try to hold these 80s. Some
Anything,
worse right
honestly,
there.
in this
Yeah.
range, I just got to hold something, but they're just losing. Every time they try to put in all that buying, they just get
It
swept
tails
off
it.
sides. So
Yeah.
there's no point yet. Really weak. Bears Super Bowl champs 2026, Caleb Williams.
Eh,
I don't think the
Mm,
Bears. No.
no,
Here's your 70s.
no.
There it is. Yeah. Tape is speeding up. This 15-hour candle about to close really nasty. It's not looking good for the longs just yet.
Mm-mm.
Short until 2026. I mean, it's possible. That's about the time horizon you can have with shorts in this market. At least it was in 2025.
I mean,
About a day.
they're in like really thin volume territory now from the last time we traded these prices. So only thing I'm looking for is if it's going to stay that way, or if they start to really build, then that's definitely new information. Really thin to like the 390s.
Mm-hmm.
Still stays pretty thin, but at least that's the next like batch of volume.
Still finding some sellers.
Yeah, every time they try to buy, they just get
Yeah.
washed. Totally. Generational lows, sell everything and market crash inbound. Love it. We actually have a 220-point range today.
Yeah.
That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice.
I'm shocked to see what we've gotten this
Yeah.
today.
I mean, our vol is still in the 60s.
Well, there's the bid again. Let's see.
Yeah, there's the
See what
buying.
they can
Yeah,
do.
right at the top of my box that I have drawn.
Or right at that 470.
Yep.
Yeah, I know. Hate that. Honestly, hate it.
That's crazy.
Haters will say that the market does not respond to my crayon drawings. But we all were here on Brontosaurus Day and remember what happened.
Hey, careful. Sensitive topic for some.
Yes,
Some
but
tried to
chat
lawn the
still-
Bronto.
The chat still doesn't know if it's once every 64 million years or 241 years, whatever you said.
64 million, that is so dramatic. It's every like 6,040 years. Trust me, bro. What's Market Pulse say? Well, our Market Pulse is the chat, and the chat thinks that the market will never bid up again. So, Stephen Graham, I'm selling everything. Is that guy still around? He was huge during COVID, and people got mad at him for something, right? I don't even know what happened.
You got Mikey
I-
says you guys watching Stranger Things today. Dude, I'm still catching up. I just finished season 4. So don't spoil anything.
I haven't started on the new season.
Yeah.
And it's been so long since season 4 ended. I don't remember too much.
I'm in the same boat. But here's the problem. My wife was not a fan early on. And if there's not a show we watch together, it's very difficult for me to find time to watch any sort of programming alone, is what I've learned.
Yeah, it's the same for
It's
me
just,
too.
it just doesn't work that way. So I don't know when I'm going to find time to watch the new season.
So it turns out that the market also
Is
had
afraid of my
long-
crayon drawings. Let's be serious.
Yeah.
There's a 10-point
the algo
box.
saw it and they're like, turn around, put it in reverse.
There is a 10-point box from 470 to 460 on my 1 hour NQ TradingView chart. And the market fears it.
Well, we had some good indicators. We had some famous last words. We had let's just scroll up and do a little bit of rewind. Ain't no longs. We've got short till whatever price. Short till 2026. We've got market crash inbound. Generational low, sell everything. We ain't buying anything.
I mean, I've done all 3 trade the closes this week. And I feel like fading the chat has worked. Granted, they did get about 30 plus points on their short. So I will give them the
That's
credit.
it. I thought it went more than that. It had to have gone more
Maybe
than that.
40 points.
It's like
I
50
don't know.
points, maybe. Yeah, that's a nice short.
I don't know.
I mean,
So
I hope they
can't
were
s-
short.
I can't say anyone was wrong that was trying to short this. I just, because we finally got to the spot that I really wanted to actually, or I was thinking about longing, I guess.
They could poke a new low right now.
But I also took a scratch.
Yeah, I need them to get back down to the lows to see what's up right now. Pull it back. Are we going lower? Are we going higher, low? What are we doing?
Yes, that's a poor low. Does it really?
We,
Dr. Steve, you getting like federal grants for that or?
Wait, what did he say?
It's funny. I just see everyone going LOL and tagging him, and I had to go read what he said. It is indeed funny. Sir, that is not a poor low, it's a middle class low.
Oh, DSP. That is hilarious.
Oh, we only have 15 minutes till algo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 15 minutes till algo time, which is going to be around the time that we draw the winners for Kane's New Year's Eve giveaway, which is, excuse me, 50K accounts from Lucid Trading. You will be given access. It ends in 10 minutes, production is telling me.
I am trying
And
some longs.
then we will be picking our winners, excuse me, right around the close.
I think the longs are okay here. Famous last words, maybe. We'll see.
Shapcap, I'm not hating on the chat on the last day of the year. All that it is there's been a lot of clapping at Nick in the afternoon this week for some reason. And we made the point known yesterday that if you're going to dish it out, prepare into 2026 to receive it back.
New year,
Yeah.
new year, new energy.
And I am going to embrace my troll phase to anyone that trolls me.
I'm gonna go up to 6 slots on this, tighten it up a little bit. They're going here, or I'm scratching.
Tightening it up to 6 lots, you know, nothing major, just 6
Tightening up
lots.
that stop. I got finger on trigger again, so it's gotta go, or I'm running. I'm running away.
5-10s, bro. The
I hate them.
5-10s.
I hate them, dude. I really hate
Dude,
them.
yeah.
I wanted a deeper pullback, but the buying is they don't care. Honestly, the market doesn't care what I think. I hate it. But it's looking all right so far.
It is looking pretty good. I like it.
We're back here on these 510s. Ooh, 82 lots jumping on the bid.
Mm.
Must be Nick. Thanks, man.
It was my fault. It's because I didn't
You fat
long. This
finger
is
that?
only working for you because I chose out the top of my box. Which, I mean, you have a
470s.
box there too. You had a mythical box there.
Yeah, I had 474 to 430 something. Super, very, very proprietary box. How did you get my box, man?
I mean, my box was a little
Boxy?
tighter, a little tighter.
All right, well, we're moving.
Yeah. Getting those
looks like it's gonna
512s.
Hopefully it keeps going. 47 lots on the offer. Really? Really? Hater.
What's up, Jay? Good to see you.
I'm looking to kill my dreams here. All right, I'm scratching out of that.
5-10 strike again.
I mean, we're just
I
doing that.
know,
I'm
I
like,
know.
it's this
I
gonna be a
hate them.
situation
I hate
where
them so
nothing
much.
happens until the algo, and then something stupid happens as books are closing out for the year.
Algo could
got
get
12
kind of
minutes.
crazy.
I would imagine the last 10 minutes. If there was going to be a stupid move, it's going to be in the last 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And everyone, including me, is probably thinking it's going to rip. So we'll see what happens.
I want a deeper pullback to try to get long, but man, the 490s.
Hey, Shab.
Hey, Shab.
4-hour FEG and NQ at 460s looks like a possibility. That would be the other side of my mythical crayon box.
Kazunori, which one? Actually, don't tell me. Someone crazy might show up and
I don't even know
don't
what that
tell me.
is.
Don't tell
What
me
is
which
that?
one.
Is that a
Kazunori. It's
restaurant?
like a hand rolls and
Ah,
stuff. It's like sugarfish. I don't know if you know sugarfish, but it's like they have a hand roll.
I do. Somebody tried to sell me on a sushi place in Dallas because their cousin is best friends with the guy, or sorry, the guy who owns it is friends with a cousin of the guy who owns Sugarfish. That's how they tried to sell it to me. I was like, that means nothing. You're just
I
saying a
know.
lot
Like,
of
why didn't you
words.
say that? Oh, okay, let's go. Why didn't you just say that?
Like he knows someone who's the owner's cousin of Sugarfish. Yes, that's like me saying
Well, that's how you.
I once got a yeah, I
That's
don't
just
know.
how you
That's
know
just
it's a really good sushi place when someone is the cousin of the owner's cousin's friends.
that's like me saying I saw Scotty Scheffler in Highland Park walking his dog. I'm ready for the Masters, which I actually did a few months ago. But my golf game has not improved. Just as an FYI,
You played in Naples, right?
I did.
What'd you score?
It was not good, over 100, but I hadn't played in 2 years.
I'm attempting the long off this pullback.
Me too, me too. I got my finger on the flan button though. They either pull this up now or Joey can have it.
Uh,
All right, he can have
yes.
it.
In fact, the M period stat is in play. We did have an L period low of the day. So 69% chance of having an M period low of the day. Yeah. Go for it.
Snoop Dogg's uncle owns a rib place in Portland.
Okay, but that's a closer connection to than what someone said to me about the sushi place.
It was like 4 layers removed
Yes.
from you.
The owner is friends with Sugarfish's owner's cousin is not a selling point. We had an M period low already, did we?
Yes, we did actually.
Yes, we did by 48 seconds.
I'm giving this one
All right,
more
so the
shot.
stat has already been fulfilled, just as an FYI. So the long would somewhat make sense.
I'm giving this one more shot here because we've got algo soon.
You guys are awesome. I would rather spend my day here at stream rather than doom scrolling. We appreciate you guys being here, as always.
I want those moves above 510, bro.
I wouldn't be mad to just even get back to there at this point. I'm still finger on the flat button here if they don't move this because there's buying coming in. If it doesn't happen now, it might be pretty bad. Just going with the order flow.
Give me those 510s. If we get to 510, I'll trail this and try to just let it run.
Thinking of maybe adding some to this. They're still like super sticky in this range. It's hard to add. That's all right.
I'm
Let's
rooting for
go.
you guys.
Let's go sprinkle some TPs and hope I don't scratch this out again. Just through this low volume range would be nice.
Back up to the 510s.
We're back here.
Come on, just get us through it.
Just like
We're
a lot
playing.
of buying, man. They can't do it now. 510s might be the strongest resistance we have
See,
ever seen.
dude, seriously.
It's a lot of buying.
510s is very stubborn.
$70 on the offer at 522.
Yeah, was just fixing to point that out. We got some orders sitting up there.
Hmm.
I feel like if it does pop those 510s, it could get it could pop it pretty aggressively.
Yeah, that's pretty much the lid. I don't know if they can though. I mean, there's still the tape is still really heavy up here in this range, this like 5 point range. Hopefully they can clear it. The buying is still here, so I'm sticking around with them until they cough it up.
Mm.
I'm just gonna get break even. We're getting really close to algo. I don't really want to hold like 6, 7 lots in that.
No.
Hopefully it just pushes through though.
Come on, buyers, do something.
Poke it with a stick. Do something.
I mean, they're trying, but I mean, those 510s just is not having it.
Mm-hmm. That 65 loss just keeps bouncing around. He's not sure where he wants to fill it. It was at 22, it was at 14, now it's at 18 and a half.
Cooper is right though. The gamma is in the room with us.
Is it?
Yeah, it's technically quarterly options expiration.
Where is that supposed to be?
I have no idea. I just wait for the chat to tell me that the gamma's in the room.
Oh, Dr. Steve, living your best right now, man. Any more longs? No, no more anything. It's about to be algo for me, so.
No, I didn't even realize the Texas and Michigan were playing right now. Nate, it's quite possible that that's the same guy.
Oh, here comes some more selling. Any buyers will hold it.
It's
Just
illegal. It's illegal to trade any lower.
sleepwalk until 2026, apparently. How many support tickets do you think XY, our friend AJ, may get this evening when the market is actually closed at 5 p.m.?
Yeah, I was earlier when they were mentioning the giveaway, the 5 free accounts. And then someone, I think Leo was like, and the market's closed tomorrow. And I'm like, yeah, watch. One of those five accounts are going to be messaging customers for like, why isn't it working?
Of course.
This free account doesn't work.
Good morning. Speaking of Leo, Leo sent me a nice Christmas gift that I need to thank him for.
What do you give you?
I'm gonna
I
close
have
this.
a
I'm not gonna
beautiful-
hold it through algo.
You're out of the short. I mean, you're out of the long.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's dicey.
Yeah. It's just not one to give me those 510s, and I'm not gonna hold it through algo just to go down and get my stop tagged.
So what do you give you, Nick?
Give me a beautiful cut of meat.
Oh,
that maybe once again, since I'm going to become a big IRL guy, we're going to do an IRL stream of me smoking it one day.
Aren't you? I mean, this is the first piece of meat that you didn't have to hunt yourself.
Attention,
while.
traders.
Or purchase in a
It's
store
algo
myself.
time.
Okay, so I believe the giveaway is closed or is about to close here any second. So last chance, last call. But yeah, we will be announcing the winners in the next 10 minutes as we get all those entries in, as well as do the drawing of all 5. So stand by.
No, Shab. I think the ribs were for Nick. I think he said it's Mick ribs for Shab.
What is? Did you ever see that the McRib Bitcoin indicator that there was like threads going around on
I've seen
X
that,
about
yeah.
that?
I can't believe someone would leak that kind of alpha. That is insane.
Yeah, how bid Bitcoin gets like during the period that the McRib is active.
That's major alpha leak, man. For free too. That's insane.
Yeah, we're not apparently doing anything.
No.
And I would love to long this because I'm sure something stupid's about to happen. And I'm imagining it's to the upside, but
They're gonna do it without you.
Good about it.
Just what they do.
Like I feel like at that point I'm just like purely gambling.
Actually, yes. Yes.
I'm kind
I
of
don't know,
glad
funny
I killed
story.
that long because it's coming. It's close to where my stop originally was. Or at the lowest.
So, Nick, let me tell you what happened in Vegas with my sports bet. So I mean, Chad knows I'm not a sports bettor, right? So we get to Vegas, my buddies are all sports bettors. One of them's like, dude, they're giving a promo downstairs. They're matching up to $250 in a bet. So I'm like, oh yeah, that's a 2R. Come on. We're trading now. Let's go.
Immediately the trading brain comes on.
Yeah, I literally went down there. I full margined it. 250, got the 500, slammed Eagles versus Bills money line. Told my wife we're doing it. She opened an account in her name, slammed another 500. One of my friends, she's like, I'll put like 100. I was like, cool, I'll get your other 150. So I'm in like 1,300 worth of leverage for like $600. And then the Eagles hit it.
What was the money line?
Money
Plus
line, when I got it, so before my friend, I got it was like plus 102, 104.
Okay, so it was basically even money.
Yeah, no, the second one when I hopped in with my friend's bet when she wasn't spending all of it, that bet then was game day. It was a plus 140. So I was like, damn, I should have just made it.
I would have imagined late sharp money probably came on the Bills at home.
Yeah, so Jalen Hurts blessed me with some capital.
But yeah, hell of a bet. I'd never seen you talk about sports betting. That
wasn't even a sports bet anymore. That was, hey, look.
Yeah, that was a trading bet. That was him
3R.
playing the odds trading wise.
Almost a 4R.
And free additional leverage.
Mm-hmm.
just like trading props. Just additional leverage.
Yeah, I prop traded sports. This is how it starts. Yeah, I deleted that app immediately after I cashed out.
Well, double or nothing algo here in 60 seconds.
Yeah, they held that low there.
They did. Now it looks ugly, and I hate it.
Yeah.
Not gonna touch it. Watch now. The algo is gonna send us just straight through 510s.
It's just gonna go directly to 540.
Yeah, it's gonna go to 540. The old 4-hour low there.
It's like before we do this, let's just chill here, not move past 510 and put in a worse low.
Yep.
And then maybe we'll think about it. When no one wants to trade it anymore. I need to full port about 2,000 lots for 100 points to make back losses on year. Eh, anything's possible
I mean, yeah,
except that.
I've been there.
How
Have you
much
have
was
you
I sweating the
tried?
final play? Dude, I ran through the sports book on the stop. I
I'm
ran through the
sure.
sports book.
Okay, there's a new low. So we cleaned up that terrible low, thank God.
Yeah.
And now the buyers are going to step in and set it.
See
Maybe.
you, driver. Hey, thanks for hanging out.
Now buyers are gonna really just full send this.
Damn.
Sheesh.
What was that low? 465. So the mid, sorry, my mythical magical box, we've hit the midpoint and bounced right off.
Well, well, well.
Shocker. Still scared of my box.
Well, well. See if I can draw some trend lines today. We got this. I mean, it would have been as a loser, right?
But be sure to stick
Unless it's
with
a
us
scalp.
here for the next 4 minutes into the close, as Jim will eventually join us and we will announce the lucid trading giveaways.
When? 4 minutes?
4
Close?
minutes.
YOLO'd 510s. YOLO the lows. Oh man, you guys are
Mm.
crazy. You guys are crazy.
I want to see something exciting happen.
Yes.
Jim's exciting.
I
Jim.
might have to let XYZ out of the basement to help me tabulate these entries.
Yeah, I was in Vegas. I was in Vegas for a few days. It was nice to be out of the basement. I'm not gonna lie. Jim was gracious enough to let me out for the holidays. See the family. Haven't seen them since the stream started.
I cleaned up, changed the sheets, got fresh towels down there for you.
Hmm. This is very good housekeeping, if nothing else.
Dude, where are we gonna end up? We're gonna end up in the spoos at Jack's one, it's 6,900, or at the 1 day min that MenthorQ publishes 68.90 half. Or
My,
none of the above.
I mean, I don't
I
know.
think it ends
I
right
don't
here.
know.
It just never moves from here.
This is a very anticlimactic last hour.
We're getting that 1 day min. Oh, we got an 89, we got an 84 from Kaz.
We better at this point just tag the bottom of my mythical crayon box.
You should start charging for that, man.
I mean,
pretty
it's
good.
proprietary, so nobody knows how I do it.
It's pretty good.
Haters will say you're just looking at lows of certain candles, but you might be wrong.
I think I should have made people pay money before I unveiled the Bronto.
Yeah, and then I mean, we gave them the alpha of the Armageddon pattern. Sorry, yeah, I guess it is the Armageddon pattern, the asteroid pattern that occurs usually right after.
Oh
those
yeah, yeah. The
241 years.
follow-up. It's the follow-up where all the money's made. Honestly, there's a lot of stuff being given for free. Just hit the likes, guys. That's all you got to do. Hit subscribe, hit the like.
If we bounce
95
off
bid at 25.
460 to the tick, I'm gonna.
25,500. Who said that for the wow.
Jim,
Crafted
before
returns.
before the year ends, did you make sure to hit the like button?
It's a good.
I hit the like button, baby.
Oh yeah, I think we need to rack some likes up, huh?
68.90 half. Coming, going, getting close.
All right, last line in the sand here for my magic box, and it
We got
didn't
it.
work out. So now here's the thing I can do is just delete it, and then
And just never
nobody
talk about
knows
it again and
ever
just
again.
deny.
Yeah, I never drew that.
Someone asked if I'm buying this. No, I don't,
No.
I'm definitely not doing anything. Buying, selling, anything.
Or you just draw a wider box like XY does. So it's
Just
still
keep
in play.
extending it.
I mean, we're giving you guys away so much.
Of our secrets.
Yes.
Here we go. The bell has rung. The low was exactly that MenthorQ 1-day min 68.90. That's unbelievable.
And
60, yeah.
we do, in fact, have the winners from the giveaway.
Well, there you go. Go ahead,
And
Nick. Read them off.
you do not have to be in the chat. So if they've already left, they will receive an email from our team in the next 24 hours with their promo code to get their account. So the winners are Kidder Tix, Jake W, Joe Balick, Bot Watson, and three Hans. The Hans, excuse me.
The Hans.
Congrats. Here's the names.
Oh my God. Celebrating early. Congratulations, folks, to the top 5 winners for Trader Kane. Thank you, Trader Kane, for the giveaways, by the way, also. Fantastic stuff. Oh man, what a year. Well, where'd the Nazi end up finally? What was the last print there?
The low
Yeah.
looks like 44 half to 544 25 444.
Wow. Wow.
I mean, closed on the lows. Interesting.
Wow, what a day. All right. Well, we had a fantastic year. Gentlemen, thank you for all of your contributions all year long. You've been fantastic. NinjaTrader Live 2.0 is not only a success, exceeded expectations, and we're moving forward mostly because of the NinjaTrader Live community, the folks listening, the folks in the chat. Shab says, Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you, Shab. And appreciate everything you've done, Shab, for this network and for me personally. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Nick, XYZ, Joey, let's give these guys one more thumbs up before we all go. Appreciate you guys. You guys are the best.
Jim, you're the best.
Yeah,
Appreciate
Tim,
it, Jim.
we couldn't do this without you, sir.
Lumberjack Jim.
Yeah, look at that beard. Look at
Yeah, Jim's gonna come out with me in the wilderness tomorrow and
that.
find his own meat.
The closest you'll see me to the wilderness is on the pier at Folly Beach drinking a margarita.
Jim is
That's
living,
as close
man.
as you're going to see me.
I
in
want
the
to be like
wilderness.
Jim when I grow up.
Anyway, again, you guys are great. Appreciate everybody. We are going to see you Friday. Remember, tomorrow there's no trading. We are in another hour. The futures are going to be closed. We're not going to open again. No Globex reopen tonight. Take the day off. We'll start again tomorrow night, and then Friday we have a full lineup for you as well. So remember that. And the second most important thing, go Hoosiers. Hoosiers are taking on Alabama in the Rose Bowl. I'm going to hit, I know XYZ is going to be there. I'm going to be patched in via transmitter to see how that game's going before the delayed feed I get on YouTube TV. So, in any event. But the single most important message, folks, especially New Year's Eve, a lot of crazy antics going on out there. Just remember, be safe out there. Be good to each other. We will see you next year.
Happy New Year, chat.
See you, chat. Happy New Year.